मिर्ज़ापुर 2 में एक डायलॉग है, जीत की गारंटी तभी ही है जब जीत और हार दोनों हमारे कंट्रोल में हो। हेलो एंड वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ मनी मैटर्स टॉक्स। और आज हम बात करेंगे ऑन इंश्योरेंस। आई राइट एज अ कॉलमनिस्ट फॉर अ मराठी डेली, महाराष्ट्र टाइम्स, where we get a lot of questions on insurance. Now, this being a month of January, a lot of people do their tax planning in this month. That is why we wanted to highlight on this subject of insurance. Now, in India, insurance has a deep-rooted history. It finds its mention in the writings of Arthashastra. The writings talk in terms of pooling of resources that could be redistributed in the times of calamities such as fire, flood, epidemics, and famine. Now, this was probably a precursor to the modern day insurance. 1818 saw the advent of life insurance business in India with the establishment of Oriental Life Insurance Company in Calcutta. Many changes and modifications took place in the sector, and with the ordinance issued on 19th January 1956, nationalizing of the life insurance sector and Life Insurance Corporation came into existence in the same year. The LIC absorbed 154 Indian, 16 non-Indian insurance and also 75 provident societies, 245 Indian and foreign insurance in all. The LIC had monopoly till the late 90s. When the insurance sector was reopened, the private sector also entered, and today there are more than 24 companies who offer life insurance services in India. The insurance sector is growing at a steady rate of 15 to 20%. Together with the banking services, insurance services add about 7% to the country's GDP. A well-developed and evolved insurance sector is a boon for economic development as it provides long-term funds for the infrastructure development, at the same time strengthen the risk-taking ability of the country. Now first, let us see if insurance is an investment. Risk is an inevitable aspect of life. Acknowledging this reality, our objective shifts from loss aversion to positioning ourselves managing risk. We plan for our retirement or any uncertainty during our life. An individual should plan according to his needs and goals. Mr. Anupam had made sufficient planning for his retirement from his age 30. However, he did not buy insurance. At his age 55, he had a serious illness और उन्हें अपने रिटायरमेंट की पूंजी से बहुत सारा पैसा खर्च करना पड़ा। अब उनके पास बहुत कम पैसे हैं for his entire retirement life. How will he manage this? Is a big question in front of him. Every individual goes through different phases in life and makes investment depending on whether the person is risk averse or risk seeker. Every generation experiences a different lifestyle and prefers a different investment style. Some look for wealth creation while others invest for children's future. Another set of investors focus on retirement planning. Investment means something in which you put your money and you expect it to grow over time. And insurance makes sure that it protects your investment. तो ये आपको तय करना है कि इंश्योरेंस इन्वेस्टमेंट है या नहीं. Sometimes people find it convenient to buy an insurance product with an investment element in it like a ULIP to take care of both needs and investment. When you mix insurance and investment, it results in inadequate life insurance cover and lower returns on your investment. By doing it, we are challenging the sole purpose of life insurance, which is adequate cover, or any investment scheme which is attractive returns. Now, it may not make sense now, but it may definitely make sense in the longer run. So the question again is life insurance a good investment? Let's clear our basics first. Life insurance is not an investment. There is no investment in insurance that will give you returns on the amount invested by you. The irony of life insurance is that your nominee will reap the benefits of it after your death? Well, that brings back to our second question, which is why to buy life insurance if I am not going to get any returns out of it? So, if insurance is for benefit of your dependent and it is not an investment, then why should you pay and get insured? All of us have financial goals which we plan and work to achieve them. There is always this fear of uncertainty because of which one may not be able to achieve their financial goals. Now, taking adequate insurance will give you the confidence and will keep you on track to achieve your financial goals, and thus will keep you on track. That is exactly what insurance does for you. Keep you on track. Don't you agree? Now, the key question is adequate insurance. Matlab, now that you have decided to take insurance, then you need to know how much insurance you need to take. Now, this will change from person to person depending on your age or the risks associated with you, taking into account the inflation that you will have to calculate how much money will be needed for your dependents to live a decent life in your absence. You should take a help of an advisor and get a clear picture. Now, one more question to understand is insurance a great option to save tax? There are broadly two types of insurances, life insurance and general insurance. By opting for insurance, you get various tax benefits as well. Premium paid in one financial year up to 1,50,000 is eligible for tax benefit under Section 80C. And you get a benefit of 25,000 premium paid for Mediclaim for self, spouse or dependent. An additional benefit of 25,000 for policy for dependent parents. Life insurance maturity proceeds are exempt from tax under Section 1010D of the Income Tax Act. Now, these are just an additional benefit for taking insurance. However, a lot of people look at only tax benefit as a parameter to take insurance policy. We strongly recommend not to look at just tax benefit while taking insurance, as it is an additional advantage. There are different types of insurances which we will discuss in our future videos. So you know, insurance can control your losses, and that is why we started with the dialogue, जीत की गारंटी तभी ही है जब जीत और हार दोनों हमारे कंट्रोल में हो. That's all we have to share with you in this part of Money Matters Talks. To keep writing to us with your suggestions and queries on the email ID mentioned. Like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel Money Matters Talks. Thank you.